welcome to our English lesson. Today we are going to cover the topic is about World Book Day. So as you know that within a week we are going to celebrate this day. So that is why I have thought like, what if I will conduct my lesson in this topic? Let's have a look on our plan. Yes, the first one we are going to do warm-up, breaking news, writing super challenge. I will give you some tips for reading for pleasure, and we are going to do some kind of interesting game called becoming a journalist. So we are going to be a journalist and then interview, and then of course the last stage of our lesson is giving home. We have the breaking news. Everyone is in danger. So the breaking news about World Book Day is interrupted with this news. The AntiWorld League has struck. This league is capturing authors of all genres and stopping them writing. Everyone is in danger. So police fear words may be disappearing from history, and all members of public are urged to assist the police with this investigation. Hey guys, let's play some game. Yes? Imagine that you are going to spend your time on a desert island. So you'll have food, water, shelter and clothes. You have to pick with you only 5 things. And what will you pack? Yeah? The first one, second, third, fourth and fifth one. And this list should give you a good idea of the things that are most important to you to survive. Yes? So go ahead. Great guys, great answers. Keep going. Then let's start our topic, yes, about the World Book Day, your favorite books. So we are going to talk about your favorite books. You have to answer for these 9 questions. If it's visible to you, I will read this. Is it a sentence or a phrase? So the sentence and phrase should be your favorite book's opening line. Yes. The second question is, if it's a sentence, what tense is it written in? So you know, yes, the grammar. And the third one, if it's a sentence, what type is it? Statement, comment, exclamation, question. And the fourth question, you have to highlight, for example, the verbs, nouns, adverbs, and adjectives. And then the sixth question, which of these do you think is the most powerful in the sentence? Does anything surprise you about what you have found? So the 7th, 8th, 9th question is very interesting. So guys, please read. I will give you 2 minutes. So guys, great answers. I have got your point. So now, mini brainstorming. The brainstorming is about the tips reading for pleasure. So I will give you 3 tips. Yes. So the tips can be, you have to find somewhere comfortable. It might be your favorite armchair, or you can lie on the floor, massive stack on cushions, yeah, for example. But what about the music? If you prefer music, you can listen, because some people think that music can be a welcoming background for relaxing, for reading. But others find it big distraction. So be honest with yourself, of course, yes. And if listening to music helps you, then pop in your earbuds. The next stage, guys. Do you remember the breaking news about the AntiWorld League? So our task is about that AntiWorld League. So you are going to be a journalist. You have 2 jobs now. Firstly, imagine you are one of the victims of the AntiWorld League, and this league has stolen some words from a book or document that is precious. The interview, you have to answer for 4th question. Yes, the first question should be about where was the person at the time of the event, the victim, and then the robbery, yes? The second question, what document did the AntiWorld League steal words from? And you need to explain the significance of this to you, to your job, and etc., yes? And the third question, when did they realize their words had been stolen? And the last question, who is the person you are interviewing? Imagine them and include their jobs, their home, and the other information. So I will give you 10 minutes for this task. Well done, guys. I have liked all your answers. You are really becoming journalist. So the last stage of our lesson is home task. So there is a connection with the AntiWorld League. So you have to turn your interview notes into newspaper article. Да? Guys, for example, this list. This is the newspaper, as you have seen. So you have to write your name, surname, and then the article. So the lesson is over, guys. Thank you for your active participation. I hope that the lesson was interesting. Thank you.